I arrive at São Lourenço. White and yellow flowers dance in the wind. Peace, broken only by the sound of the ocean. There are no trees here, only stones and smooth grass. Everything feels untouched, real, calm, natural, beautiful in its simplicity. This is where my journey through Madeira begins. Madeira is constantly changing. At first, the sun is shining. A moment later, the wind picks up, wild and powerful. And then the rain begins. With the rain, chapter 2 begins. The mysterious Madeira. For me, this is not just an ordinary forest. Every time I'm here, something changes, as if a quiet, unfamiliar force begins to influence me. I feel it under my skin, in my breath, in my thoughts. The weather never discourages me from walking among the trees. Rain, cold, or fog only deepen this feeling. I stop. I look closely at nature, at the trees, at who they are, what stories they carry within them, and why they became the way they are. We drove further, toward the north of the island. We hoped that on the other side the weather would be kinder. The road led through wide, green spaces where we kept passing cows, calm, almost curious, as if they had always been part of this landscape and had nowhere to rush. They were gentle, just like this moment, and chapter 3 will be gentle too. Chapter 3, Central Madeira. My Madeira, you are an oasis in the middle of the ocean. You are paradise to me, breathtaking and so incredibly alive. Full of animals and lush vegetation, giant ferns, massive flowers, tall waterfalls falling from the mountains. All of this within reach, available 365 days a year. Chapter 4, Island Life. The city is full of life, greenery everywhere. Narrow streets lead to places where there is no need to rush. The air smells of delicious local coffee, and all around, wonderful people who make you want to stay.